Introducing the 2019 Ford Focus ST-Line EcoBlue, the perfect combination of style, performance and safety. With a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and sleek blue exterior, this hatchback is sure to turn heads. Loaded with comfort and tech features like Bluetooth, cruise control and Android Auto, every drive will be a breeze. Plus, stay secure with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance technology. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit www.connorcassidycars.ie today for more information. Drive home in your dream car today.